Have you ever felt like you're forcing a style that doesn't seem natural? Doesn't really feel like you? It's frustrating and it's painful, and you can feel stuck trying to find your artistic style. But here's the truth. Developing your style isn't magic. You can practice and you can perfect the process to develop your own artistic style that you're proud of. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 expert tips to help you craft and develop your own artistic style. Stay with me until the end of this video, as tip number 5 particularly shifted my own perspective, and it will change yours too. Study the masters. If you want to stand out as an artist, first you need to step on the shoulders of giants which have come before you. Studying masters isn't about simply copying them or replicating or being a duplicate of their work, but it's by analysing their techniques, their processes, and their creativity to help you form and develop your own artistic style. Take Pablo Picasso, for example. Before he pioneered abstract pieces of art and cubism, he spent years mastering his classical artistic skill by studying artists such as Rembrandt. I'll suggest drawing a subject such as a banana or an apple or a simple object and develop it and create it in the style of a few different artists that you like. Experiment with different methods. If you want to unlock your potential, you've got to step out of your comfort zone. You can experiment with different mediums, tools, or techniques, but experimenting is a great way to help step out of that comfort zone. Take Michelangelo, for example. He wrote poetry, he drew architectural drawings, he learnt from anatomy studies. All these different principles and disciplines help enrich his own artistic voice. So try switching from using ink, try and use gouache or acrylic, try and use a different pen shading technique, anything to get you out of your comfort zone and try something completely new. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Portrait View, and give me a comment below with any questions, feedback, or any videos you want to see in future videos. Master the fundamentals. Here's a secret. Even the most abstract and experimental artists out there rely on the basics. Without these strong fundamentals in place, work can feel unpolished and feel a bit amateur-like. So I really recommend you focus on things like shading, perspective, anatomy, composition. The list goes on and on. There's so many different things that you can focus on to strengthen your own work. For example, I really do recommend you check out these drawing exercises in the top right. If you can draw a box in perspective, you'll be able to draw pretty much anything you want. Learn composition and perspective. Your art style isn't just about how you draw, it's about what you draw and actually how you present that on a piece of paper. And the good news is that composition and perspective are the key elements here to tell your story. Just look at Vermeer's work. He might draw and paint very simple domestic scenes. However, he's mastered perspective, composition, light, and also colours that keeps you engrossed in his artworks. Try this. Next time you're drawing or painting, try and break your image down into 3 by 3 squares, or otherwise called the rule of thirds, and then place your focal points on one of these intersecting lines. This will help you step out of maybe your comfort zone if you've never tried this before, but it will help you learn and think about the composition of your image before going on to the details. Try rule of thirds, try golden ratio, try and split up and see how the different artists that you love use compositions to keep you engrossed to a piece of art. Draw from life regularly. One drawing habit that transformed not only my art, but my drawing skill is by drawing from life. Leonardo da Vinci famously spent countless number of hours drawing from life, whether that's plants, animals, to anatomy. He thought that drawing from life improves a drawing skill, but can improve your art as well. When you're drawing for life, you're not drawing what you think you see, but training your eye to draw what you actually see. Whether that's attending live drawing sessions or going to the park and sketching people, of drawing consistently every day and making use of those small moments of time during your day, whether that's on your commute, whether that's just sitting there watching TV, anything like that to help improve your drawing skill, which actually will help form your own artistic style. Which tip are you excited to try? Comment me below with your questions, your thoughts and your feedback, and I highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.